Welcome to this 200 million naira home here in Enugu. This home will blow your mind. Now it is captivating, it is luxurious, and it is what you truly desire. This house is a masterpiece and it was built to perfection for a special family that desires something perfect. My name is Victoria Chinzirum and welcome to this amazing 6-bedroom fully detached duplex located at Golf Estate Annex in Enugu State. Now this is one of the finest locations in this city. Now this amazing house has a lot of amazing features. It is sitting on a 700 square meter plot. It comes with a gym house, it comes with a bronze and mirror gate, it comes with a bulletproof door. It also has a one-story BQ in this amazing duplex. It also comes with a CCTV camera which you can view from anywhere in the world, and it has a security house and a gym house too. So let me not keep you waiting. Let us go inside and see how amazing this house is. Like I said, this is the bulletproof door. Then this is the after room, and this is the toilet. This door is leading to the parlor. This is leading to upstairs. There are a lot of features in this parlor. As you can see, this house was specially built, like it was perfectly designed. There is a CCTV camera here. The parlor is exquisite. This is a family home. This is a dining area where you can have an amazing meal with your family and friends. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, it is fully fitted. It comes with a marble top centerpiece. It has a 5-burner gas cooker. It has a heat extractor, and as you can see, there are lots of cabinets here which makes this kitchen amazing and exquisite. It also comes with a storage room. This is amazing for the madam of the house. So like I said, you have 247 lights in this house. This is the inverter here. There are 2 steps leading upstairs, and this is one of the rooms that is downstairs. It is all ensuite, okay? Fully fitted and has everything you need in a room. So let's go upstairs and see how upstairs looks like. So this is upstairs, okay? In this house, they have 2 masters, all right? And it's, like I said, it's a 6-bedroom, all fully ensuite. So I'll be showing you some of these rooms so you can see what it looks like, all right? So we are upstairs, and here they have 4 bedrooms. There is 2 masters, like I said. There is a lounge for the parlor upstairs. Then this is the rooms. They are all ensuite. So let's go in one. So this is how one of the rooms looks like. This is the toilet and bathroom here. The toilet and bathroom is here. This is the wardrobe. And same goes for this one. The toilet and bathroom is in there. So this place is leading to the 2nd stairs and the master's bedroom, while here is the kiddies. Here lift them up. Like I said, this house is amazing. This house is breathtaking. This house is exquisite. If you're not thought of buying something like this, then you're missing out. Alright? This is what you've been dreaming for. Okay? You like this house, Abby? It enter your eye. So call me on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let us discuss this amazing 6-bedroom duplex here in Gulf Annex. Don't miss out on this for anything, okay? You deserve a perfect home for you and your family. So make sure you reach out to me for more details and information concerning this amazing house here in this beautiful and serene environment. Just take a look at this perfect view.